Hello friends, today I am back with another video. Today we are going to discuss the active employees in our dataset. Yeah, active employees, not total employees, but total active employees. Definitely in any organization over the period of time, people or employees join and some employees, they resign also. So if you look at the employee database, it will have all the numbers. I mean, people who join, people who resigned also, but our requirement is at any given point in time or any given year, end of the year or beginning of the year or any month, what was the total count of our active employees. So I will show you first my data set. I have downloaded this dataset, HR dataset underscore V14. It is available on Kaggle website. I will give you the link of that dataset. From there you can go and download it. And I have another table. I have made calendar table, so I am linking the date of calendar column to the column of HR dataset. This is date of joining. The simple relationship I have, and if you look at the data set, if you look at here, the count, total rows are 311. It means total number of employees are 300, because this is employee ID. Employee IDs are unique. So total number of employees are 311. Here, out of 311, some of employees must have resigned or have departed from the company. So here we are going to calculate the active employees. And starting of January 2023, we had 198 active employees. Obviously, some of the employees must have joined. So in February, we have become 200. Similarly, in 2023 March, the count of total active employees were 202. But now in the month, because I'm recording here in 2003 May, so total active headcount is 207. So how I'm going to do this? If I choose different year, for example, 2016, in month of Jan, we had 217 employees. And the beginning of the year, we had 270 active employee. Some of them left, so count became 212. And then again, in the March, there was no change in the count. In April, another employee left. In May, some of more employees left. In June, there is one addition, so it seems one employee joined us. If you come across the end of 2016, total count is 208. Recently, I had this requirement while doing one of the project in my company. So unfortunately, I cannot show you the real data. So I went to Kaggle's website and downloaded a similar kind of data set to demonstrate this functionality. So let me show you the measure I calculated based upon this. So I will take you through this calculation, the measure I have calculated, and hopefully this will give you the clear picture what I'm trying to do here. The first thing, I chose the selected year from the drop down list, right? I'm capturing what the year selected. Here, if you look at here, what I'm checking, if any year not selected or the selected year is current year, then I'm going to show end of this month. Use EOMONTH. Today's date, it will give you today's date. I'm adding up 0, so it will not change, and I'm calculating end of this month. If the selected year is not blank, or if selected year is not this year, means 2023, then it is going to take the maximum date available with respect to that selected year. Now next line shows the calculate function where actual calculation is being done. What is the total head count in that data set? 311. And in this total employee include everything, the new joiners as well as the people who has left that company, right? The next line is I have used the filter. Within the filter, I'm removing all the applied filters coming from the visual filters. And one more thing I'm doing here, I'm trying to filter out the active employees. Remember, so how I'm going to filter it out, the active employees? The date of join should be less than equal to the selected end of month, and their termination date should be greater than this calculated month, or The terminated date should be blank. So this calculation will return total headcounts of active employees. So okay guys, that was the calculation formula I had used. If you have any doubt, any clarification, if you need, just put your comment in the comment section below, and I'll try my level best to answer your query and clarify the doubt you have, as I have been doing for other videos also. And finally friends, don't forget to like and subscribe and share this video, because this will motivate me and help me to create more video. And of course, no one is perfect, even I'm not perfect. I'm just trying to share whatever I have in my mind, and whatever I learned so far I want to share with you guys. If my video is helping in any way, then please appreciate by liking and subscribing my channel. Thank you very much. I'll try to be more consistent in the future. I'll try to bring more videos, more tips and techniques on data related technology and tools. Thank you. Bye.